Number 1. The Selection tool is one of the essential tools in Adobe Illustrator that allows you to select and manipulate objects within your artwork. Number 2. You can find the Selection tool in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. It is represented by a solid arrow icon. Number 3. With the Selection tool, you can click on any object in your artwork to select it. Selected objects are highlighted with a bounding box. Number 4. To select multiple objects, you can hold down the Shift key while clicking on each object. This allows you to perform operations on multiple objects simultaneously. Number 5. You can also use the Selection tool to move objects by clicking and dragging them to a new location on the artboard. Number 6. To resize an object, click on one of the corner handles of the bounding box and drag it inward or outward. Number 7. The Selection tool also allows you to rotate objects. Position the cursor outside the bounding box near a corner until it changes to a curved arrow, then click and drag to rotate the object. Number 8. If you want to duplicate an object, hold down the Alt key, Windows, or Option key, Mac, while clicking and dragging the selected object to a new position. Number 9. To delete an object, select it using the Selection tool and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more video.